Kingfisher and northwestern...
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kingfisher County and central Oklahoma, east central Blaine County and northwestern Oklahoma until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southeast of Chicago, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennessy, Dover, Loyal, Omega, and Lacey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant weather advisory for southeastern Garfield, northeastern Kingfisher, and northwestern Logan counties until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:46 p.m. Central